Hey y'all. So it's almost time to garden in some areas. So I save some of my old Pioneer Woman spaghetti sauce jars because I'm hoping to see it on the shelf again one day. But in the meantime, I'm going to recycle these ones to use for my sweet potatoes, okay? I'm going to go ahead and start growing my plant now in the jar. And how you do this is if you got some potatoes that you think are not going to be any good here anytime soon, go ahead and put some. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Excuse me. A hair like this. Bear with me. But just like that. And I'm going to stick another one right here when I get off the phone. But look at that. And then you have to have enough water. This is not enough water. This is enough water. Okay. This won't fit. It won't fit like that. So therefore, we're going to do that technique. Okay. So time to start thinking about the garden.